I'm working on the X1 connector over here. X2 goes here. I have it laying down, and I'm pulled all the pins out that are too long, and I'm going to go put them back in. So that's these right here. First one I'm going to tackle is, they had a huge ground and I don't have one of those pins, so it's going to have to be one of the ones that I strip. Oh, there's my door. One of the ones I strip, connect, and I'm going to use these new style heat shrink with solder in it. See how it works. So, it says pin 1. Double check, there's pin 1. Now these are orientated, so you have to put the pins in right or they won't lock. So the crimp just put a bow in the pin, and I had to take the bow out for it to fit in. So these pins are going to go right in the middle here. I'm going to go get a Phillips and loosen the crimp a little bit. It's got an adjustment on the crimp. What we got left is this twisted pair. You want to leave the twisted pair as twisted as you can all the way up to the connector. These are your data lines. So the X1 connector now is complete. I got one wire left, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it yet. But all the connectors that are going to it is done. So now that I'm done with the X1, I'm going to move over to the X2. So I'm going to stop the filming for a while, and I'll pick it up when I get to that one.